Alright, so we're going to put the BBR skid plate on here. To do that, we got to drill and tap this hole right here. So I'm going to drop these two bolts out of the header and drop the header down to give myself a little bit more room to work with when I use the tap. So I've seen lots of other people do this without dropping the header down just fine, so you don't have to do it. Alright, now we gotta take out these two foot peg bolts. Stick one of the bolts through it so you can kind of hold it up. The other side. You know what? This little plastic cover is gonna have to come right off. Alright, hang on a sec. I don't do this beforehand like some people, so you're coming with me as I screw up everything and figure it out as I go. There's another 8mm bolt. Alright. Now we'll just get placed on there. Looking better. The other side here. Now let's cover go back on. Oh shit. Alright, that cover won't go back on. There you go. BBR skid plate is on there. A quick little trick that I just figured out. If anyone's got one of these newer 2019 and up 110s, is it 2022? You put a BBR skid plate on it, you'll notice that the little plastic cover that went over this little sensor here, honestly don't know what it is yet, doesn't fit. I got it so I can fit it back on there. So what you gotta do is take your grinder or something and make a notch right there, just enough that it fits around this bracket, and then you can take your new bolt that comes with it. Now the bottom bolt is a real pain to do. I suggest trying to do the bottom bolt before you get the skid plate fully bolted on. But if you're stubborn like me and don't want to take the thing back off, you can kind of work with it. But as you can see this way, you still get to keep that little sensor covered up, because